So as we were discussing that we can perform analysis and we can prepare different kinds of dashboards and using the readily available tools that we have. So one of those tools which is readily available is the Spreadsheet tool. So Spreadsheet, as we all know, it's like a Microsoft tool. I'm talking about the Microsoft Excel, obviously. So that particular tool may be used for various purposes. However, the most important thing that I see out of Excel is to prepare dashboards and to do analysis. So let me show you some of the examples of how business intelligence can be achieved through Excel, through the different dashboards that we have. So this is one of those. So this is actually a project status dashboard. So project status dashboard is all about like we have a project, we have a plan, and to check how the project is moving and whether it is moving on schedule and whether it is lagging behind, what are the factors which is creating issues. So those all things can be tracked using a performance using a project status dashboard. So this is one of those. So we can have various different types of charts, different types, something called issue tracker. How do we maintain the issue tracker? How do we perform the calculations? Those all things we can do using a spreadsheet. Also, we can create something called KPI dashboard. KPI means key performance indicators. So each and every organization has their own KPIs. So if it is a customer service organization, it will have something called quality, something called the volume of interaction, transactions, the tickets, the ticket to resolution ratio. These are some of the key parameters that they follow. So how do we track them? And when we are presenting that particular data to the management, then there are different ways of doing that. How we can present it in an interactive format. So those all things we can see. And how do we select the various templates, the various what we say the data points, and how do we do the calculation. So I'll just give a glimpse of it. So this is one of those dashboards. So this is a KPI dashboard which is obviously interactive. I have taken some products out here, if you can see, and if you can see that this particular dashboards which is there to come, we can have dashboards which are the level of interaction can be that we can compare to KPIs also. So it depends on the situation, like what we exactly need and what is the requirement of the organization. But however, we can always have interactive dashboards. So if you see that this has been created using Excel, it's a very common tool for business intelligence. So like what I was talking about, we can create interactive dashboards also. So we will see in details about these dashboards. And there are other tools as well for business intelligence which are maybe used for huge amount of data. So business intelligence is not only just you take a data point and convert it into some information using some calculation. So it is also related to huge amount of data, like you are gathering information, you are gathering data, you are downloading data from some server and then applying very minimum time to gather some useful insights of those data. So there are different softwares available in the market. So I would like to give you a glimpse of one of those. So I will try to show you some of the interactions, some of the uses of a software called Tableau. So Tableau is actually a business intelligence software which can be used for drawing meaningful information from data. We can create graphs, in few simple steps. And not only that, we can compare data, we can prepare dashboards, we can present it, and we can share it. So the best part is that we can share it, we can link data, means I'm talking about real-time data. So we need not get a snapshot of it, and we can directly connect our data from one place to another. And definitely I'm going to talk about one more tool which is coming up, like it's a tool which is gaining importance and gaining popularity. So that is a statistical tool called R. So I will show you that particular tool. How do we capture data? How can we create charts? How can we create plots or histograms on that? And since it is a programming, it has some programming features also. So it gives us a variety of useful commands and functions and features. So we will talk about all those things in our Tech Talk session. So until then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video.